So now we are going to understand the practical working, how it will actually work, and we'll see the two modules. We'll see that how this is this hybrid vehicle trainer that we discussed in the previous video. We have seen, we can see over here, the electronic part or the software part is being connected to the hybrid vehicle trainer, and you can pass on the instructions through this computer to that trainer as well. So how we'll see this one? So we have just connected the hardware from here. You can see that we have connected the hardware, and then just let's say so in the initial condition this is in park mode, so I can put it in the driving mode. Now it is in driving mode, and now you can open your AC, or you can also off your AC, and depending upon your requirement, and now you can also start running your vehicle. So you can see the power has started to flow. See over here that the hybrid vehicle trainer is also running on this part, so you can see that it is going up to 53, 54, 56 kilometers per hour. I can also decrease the speed, so you can see that the battery is getting charged. Okay, and I can again increase the speed a little bit. So you can see that the speed is again increasing. So you can see that the power is flowing from the battery through this motor and generator through this planetary gear set, and if the more power is required, engine and motor both are giving us the power, and then we'll control that one. So now you can see that the battery is getting charged, so this power is being fed to the battery pack through the planetary gear set. And you can see over here one important thing. Just look at now how the power is getting transmitted. So we have already seen in the hybrid vehicle trainer. Now let's see it properly over here. So we can see over here, as I'm increasing the speed, so it is in low speed. Can you see over here? This is in low speed. Now as you are increasing the speed, it is accelerating. Okay, now let's say I put some brakes. So initially it was coasting, that the net force was 0, then you have started braking, and then your kilometer per hour gets decreased, and you can see over here battery is getting charged up to 90% from the initial charge. So basically what is happening is when we are accelerating, it is getting power from both engine and motor, and when it is deaccelerating, then what is happening, the power is getting transmitted to the motor, and then finally to the battery. So in this way, this hybrid electric vehicle can help us help in solving the problem. I will show you the power transmission now as well. So you can see over here I am increasing the speed. Now these wheels are there, these are moving, and the speed is increasing, so power is getting transmitted. You can see the engine is working. Okay, and it is accelerating as well. Now let's say I decrease the force, so it is cruising. Now if I decrease the speed using the brakes, so it is now braking mode. So you can see that the battery charge is going to increase. So it has already reached 90%, so basically there is no charging over here, and you can see now again when I increase my speed, so it is again moving, isn't it? So the power is getting transmitted from the battery and the engine finally. So this is your battery, this is your engine, and this power is getting transmitted both from both sides to the wheels. So this is how this hybrid vehicle can help. And now during the braking side, we can see that the battery charge is increasing and it is getting up to 90%. Okay, hope this animations and simulation and practical trainer has helped you to understand the concept of the hybrid vehicles. I'll also try to show more discussions and more working on this hybrid vehicles. Basically, I'm working on these hybrid vehicles, and I'm trying to see how these driving cycles basically impact the range of the vehicle, and also I am trying to develop a proper control strategy for the controller, so that it can determine at what time, at what stage, at what temperature, and at what environmental conditions you have to get the power from the battery or from the ECU, or you can say electronic unit, and you can power your vehicle. So basically this hybrid vehicle I found it to be very useful rather than the EVs, because I think that in the long term we would be needing a lot of things in order to support our vehicle. So from the fuel side we can use the biodiesels and ethanols and other types of fuels as well, so as to improve the carbon emissions from the vehicle. And from the battery side, we can take the advantage of the new types of lithium ion batteries, nickel hydride batteries, or you can say nickel cadmium batteries, which can be much more helpful. Hope this hybrid vehicle solution gives you some understanding of what solution we are figuring out, and I think that this can be a better solution towards a sustainable development. Thanks for listening. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.